Hello everyone, welcome to our Natural Gifts channel. First of all, we would like to send to all of you on Natural Gifts channel the best wishes for good health. Today is the first broadcast on our Natural Gifts channel. We hope to bring you videos the best quality and content about what nature has given us. We hope you will watch the videos on our channel, as well as to support and encourage the program maker. Please click the like button, share and sub the channel to support the program. And now we won't keep you waiting any longer. We invite you to the first story of the program with the title Finding Love. Let's go! Welcome to Doi 7 Village in Phu Commune Luc Yen Yen by Vietnam. Famous place and the only place in the world that has cobalt stone, which is more than diamonds. And this is also the hometown of the cobalt called Tran Ai as gemstone artisans call it. When Tran Ai was found and brought back to the hands of artisans, it has been carefully measured by artisan before proceeding with the grinding and manipulation steps to create a new look for Tran Ai. The manufacturing process is carried out meticulously by artisans. After nearly 2 days of making, Tran Ai was filmed and put on a new look. This is the splendid, seductive beauty that Tran Ai has overshadowed everything.